I can't find call extensions when I click on add extensions plus symbol. Okay. I can only find site extensions. Mine is a YouTube based ad. Now with in-stream ads, you don't need call extensions. That's why. With site extensions, yes, with the responsive video ads, you can use site links. But obviously, if you are running a video based ads and you want a call extension, you won't get it because it's two different things. If you want to use call extensions, then run a call ad or a call only campaign.